Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Shillong Law College hagasngin kong kalapenlong ya ka Pynkup Burom ya ki shispa angot ki Samla Pule bala Pyndep ya ka Kyrdan Ba.Llb arhajar arpho hadu arhajar apusan but Ba.Llb arhajar arpho hadu arhajar apusan ya ka te ka Pynkup Burom la penlong da ka Students Bar Association Hagani kisngi rapen ko Burom ki Samla Pule ki papawnam na barwa artli ki Kyrdan Pule da ki khusnam na kabenta ka jing tibet jongki ha ka jing Pule kadba lai khusnam karpang ki argut ki Samla Pule kom ka jing ithu e ka jing no sinyang bat ki jing job ba karpang jongki ha ka por ba ki dangdon ha ka te college haba ai jing kren ko mukongsan u senior advocate ka high court jilla Meghalaya u VK Jindal ulai khublei ki Samla Pule bat kentu ye ki ban bat ye ka jinglong bajanai ka akor ba ka jing IT lut haba ki rung sha ka jing ya denti ka jongki ha ka kam yasat an
due to compelling circumstances I was to leave my home and join Air Force. After working for a few years in the Air Force, or while I was in the Air Force, I was posted in the upper echelon. I joined this law college in the year 1973 and I got a law degree in 1976. The journey had not been very easy. It was full of hard work and dedication to the professions. I established my practice with great hardship and I have taught in this college for about 35 years. I have taught almost all the subjects in law courts. To the graduates of both 5 years integrated course and 3 years course. This graduation degree itself is the testament of the hard work and dedication of everyone at this institution. Behind this degree, there are efforts of your teaching and non-teaching staff, including the librarian. As a matter of fact, I have gathered from my experience that a good librarian with a qualified librarian is the heart of a college or institution. You may miss the class at times, but you never miss the library. A good librarian can guide the students, perhaps at times much better than the teaching staff. On this day, I remember my own college day when I was a student of this college. I am a graduate from this college, and from this college I not only got a degree in law, but I also got a degree. There is a difference between degree and a decree. I got both. I got a law degree and a decree, and simultaneously a decree because I was married to one of the female graduate of this college. I hopefully believe and trust that there will be such more incidents. And if you feel any difficulty, we are here to help.